Have you ever wondered why some people seem to build wealth steadily while others work hard for decades but never feel financially secure? The answer is not always about earning a high income. In fact, many people with impressive salaries still struggle with money, while others with ordinary jobs quietly build lasting wealth over time. The biggest difference often lies in the decisions people make every single day. Small financial habits, repeated for years, can have a greater impact than occasional big decisions. Many people believe wealth is created by luck, intelligence, or being born into the right family. While these factors can influence someone's starting point, they rarely determine the final outcome. The truth is that most people never build wealth because they follow financial patterns without questioning them. They spend first and save whatever is left. They chase short-term pleasures instead of long-term goals. They compare themselves to others instead of focusing on their own progress. Modern society also encourages constant spending. Advertisements, social media, and easy access to credit make it tempting to buy things we don't truly need. Over time, these small decisions quietly consume money that could have been invested for the future. Building wealth is rarely about making one perfect decision. It is about consistently making better choices than yesterday. Small improvements may seem insignificant at first, but over the years they can completely change a person's financial future. In this video, we'll explore the hidden reasons why most people never become wealthy and, more importantly, what successful people do differently. One of the biggest reasons people never build wealth is that they confuse income with financial freedom. Earning more money can certainly improve your lifestyle, but it does not automatically create lasting wealth. Without good financial habits, a higher income often leads to higher spending instead of greater financial security. Another common mistake is living beyond your means. Many people increase their expenses every time they receive a raise or promotion. A bigger house, a newer car, expensive subscriptions, and unnecessary purchases slowly become part of everyday life. Over time, these habits make it difficult to save or invest consistently. Successful people usually think differently. Instead of asking, "What can I buy with this money?" they ask, "How can this money work for me?" They understand that every dollar has the potential to create future opportunities when it is managed wisely. Patience also plays an important role. Building wealth is rarely exciting because the results are often invisible at first. Saving, investing, and making responsible financial decisions may seem slow, but consistency creates momentum over time. Small amounts invested regularly can grow into something much larger through years of disciplined habits. Perhaps the most important lesson is that wealth is not built by trying to look rich. It is built by making decisions that strengthen your financial future, even when nobody else notices. True financial success often happens quietly, one smart decision at a time. The good news is that building wealth does not require perfection. You do not need to come from a wealthy family, earn a six-figure salary, or make flawless financial decisions every time. What matters most is your willingness to improve, one step at a time. Start by paying attention to where your money goes each month. Build the habit of saving consistently, even if the amount is small. Learn about personal finance, avoid unnecessary debt whenever possible, and think carefully before making major purchases. These simple actions may seem ordinary, but over time they can produce extraordinary results. Remember that wealth is not measured by the things people can see. A luxury car, expensive clothes, or the latest gadgets do not always reflect financial success. Real wealth is having choices, freedom, and peace of mind because your finances are working for you instead of against you. Every financially successful person began somewhere. They made mistakes, learned valuable lessons, and kept moving forward. The difference is that they stayed consistent, even when progress felt slow. Your financial future is shaped by the decisions you make today. Every smart choice, no matter how small, is another step toward a stronger and more secure future. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to Hidden Wealth for more practical insights on building better financial habits and creating long-term wealth. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Success with money is not about making one perfect decision. It is about making better decisions consistently over time. The habits you build today can shape the opportunities you have tomorrow. Keep learning, stay patient, and remember that every small step forward brings you closer to lasting financial freedom.